Today I am going to show how ATP get converts into ADP. What does this mean? ATP means the fully energy molecule. ठीक है, means if this molecule is utilized by the cell, one phosphate ion release and it get converts into ADP, that is adeno diphosphate, means with 2 phosphate. This is tri, means 3 phosphate. Now when we utilize ATP, it get converts into ADP, and this ADP again re-enters into the cycle to get converts into ATP. Understood? So this is the how the energy is utilized. ATP gets converts into ATP, means with the release of one inorganic phosphate and energy is released, that is utilized by cell, and this ATP is low energy molecule will re-enter into the cycle of oxidation of glucose, so that it will get convert into ATP again. Clear? Now this was all the system related with the energy obtained from the source of carbohydrate. We have seen in aerobic respiration how carbohydrate is completely oxidized, and the maximum energy you are getting is through the complete oxidation of carbohydrate, that is glucose. But if in case if we are on fast, we have not eaten, or we are hungry and we are not getting carbohydrate, then the stored lipids and protein in our body are utilized for the production of energy, and definitely this production is also aerobic, means in presence of oxygen, but the cycle will differ somewhat. That is, this you can see that how this cycle will be explained through this flow chart. You can observe this flow chart. This flow chart is explaining how the energy you are getting. This is carbohydrate. We have discussed this all the phases, and we are here get 38 molecules of ATP. But if carbohydrate is not there, then lipid or protein is utilized, means lipid get convert into fatty acid and protein get convert into amino acid, and both are directly converted into acetyl CoA, and then acetyl CoA will enter into Krebs cycle, and then energy will be produced. Definitely the energy which is will produce from protein and lipid will be less as compared to glucose, that you should know. And this all three types of reaction are aerobic respiration only. Understood? Means in presence of oxygen. And at the same time I am going to explain, or I want to focus that this cycle, this glycolysis cycle is also known as EMP pathway, because the three scientists, that is Gustav Emmeden, Otto Meyerhof and Jacob Panas, has invented this reaction in the muscle cell. Hence this glycolysis is also called as embedded Meyerhof and Panas cycle pathway or EMP pathway. And the cyclic reaction of TCA cycle were discovered by Sir Hans Krebs. Hence this cyclic process is also called as Krebs cycle. Means Krebs cycle means TCA cycle. Understood? And they got the Nobel Prize in 1953 for his discovery.